Yo, what's going on, guys? What it do, guys? What's going on today? Um, it is Wednesday today, right? Yes, it's Wednesday. Let me check. Yes, it's Wednesday. Okay. What up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is Wednesday. Today, and just today was it was all right day. Today it was a right day, and I'm gonna just show y'all why and what happened today, what I was thinking, what trade I took today, um, all that good stuff. So coming into the day, right? Um, let's see this. You know how I like to use this um, big line over here to tell y'all when I woke up, right? When I started looking at the charts. So right here, 6:15, because I remember as soon as I opened up the charts, I did a quick assessments and I got in, right? Um, so I woke up right here around this time, 6:15, and then so I woke up at 6:15, where that blue line was. I looked previously and I'm like, okay, we got this big push up, right? So let me find the nearest support. Nearest support I found was right here. This trade happened at 11 o'clock yesterday, 11 p.m. My bad. Um, yesterday, and this was good, man. If I would have saw this, man, this would have been. I would have took this, to be honest, and that would have been a cool 15x. I probably would have just aimed for 10x, to be honest, that high. And dang, man, it's just crazy. But I don't trade at 11 p.m. But this would have been a good trade. It's in my yellow zone. Um, uh, in my yellow zone, so cool. Um, so then Um, I'm like, okay, so this is my near support. So I draw my support. So the thing is I like to draw my support and resistances on the right here. So I draw my support right here, my nearest support, and my nearest resistance, right? So I'm like, okay, see what price does. So this was on the 15 minute, right? So you know how I love to do these Fibonacci's, right? I love these Fibonacci's. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let's go down to a lower time frame, like 5 minute, and see if we can find something. So I go down to the 5 minute, and this is where I enter. So as you can see, when I woke up, 6:15 right here. Look at all this choppiness, right? It's all choppy, all like it's consolidation right here, right? So you know how previously I do bad in consolidating markets because my plan is not geared towards consolidating markets. My plan is more geared to trending markets, whether that's an uptrend, whether that's a downtrend. My plans excels in a trendy market. It doesn't matter which way. It can be uptrend, downtrend, don't matter. But it does not excel in consolidating markets. I mean, I use different tools for consolidating markets like support and resistances, um, stuff like that. But my actually plan does not excel in this consolidated market. So I'm like, okay. But when I woke up, I didn't know that I was gonna do all this, right? Because this is already at 10. I woke up at 6:15. I didn't know that I was gonna do all this, right? So I woke up. I saw this. Let me remove this real quick. But I saw this right here. So I drew out Fibonacci, right? It's in my golden zone, right? We got a rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here. And finally, we engulfed right here. So after this engulfing right here, let me know, okay, the buyers are stronger than the sellers. So this is telling me the buyers are trying to push this up more, right, than the sellers because the buyers came out on top right here. So I'm like, okay, so if the buyers came out on top, let's go into this trade. So I went in, right, with the long, right, and this was my stop. I like my stop too. It was right here, so I liked it. And I was just aiming for these highs, literally 10x. I was just aiming for these highs, right? So price got down all the way down here, almost stopped me out, right? Almost stopped me out, and then it pushed up all the way around this time. So once I go into a trade, I stop looking at it, because I just can't, right? I'm not mentally there yet where I can, what can I say? I'm not mentally there yet where I can just sit through the trade, watch it go down, right? Because I probably would have took out right here. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I probably would have took out if I was just looking at it. So after I enter a trade, I give myself 30 to 45 minutes, right, to be like, okay, I can start looking at it. So when I hopped back on and looked at my trade, I was up, right? It was like around here. So I'm like, okay, around this time, I was up like $500, $500 around this area right here, and basically I was like, okay, I can take my money, right, or I could hold, right. It barely stopped me out, right. So why am I gonna take out early? Just hold, right? And obviously my take profits right here, right? For this Fibonacci I drew, my first take profit is right here. So I'm like, why 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 oh my gosh, I can't find the word. Oh yeah, yeah, YTP early. YTP early, right? Just go. It's overall been bullish, right? And also we're on all-time highs. If you go to the higher time frame, like look at this, we're almost at all-time highs. So usually at all-time highs, um, usually we don't know what's gonna be the top. Nobody knows what's gonna be the top, right? So I'd rather buy when we're at all-time highs than sell, right? So yeah, going into that, that's what I was thinking. I was just thinking, looking for buys. So once I reached up here, I was like, okay, so we created a support down here. Let me just remove this for a second. So we created a support right here. I don't know if y'all could see it, but we got a rejection right here, right? So we got a rejection right here, right there. So I'm like, okay, I got in right here. So I'm just gonna go break even, right? What do I have to lose? I'm already up, right? So I go break even. Once it hits right here, I go break even. So I put my stop 0, break even, and still aim for the 10 points because I'm like, it barely stopped me out. Why am I in a TP early? I'm gonna just hold, right? If I get stopped out, I mean, if I get stopped out, oh well, it's break even. It is what it is, right? So that's what eventually happened. It created a resistance right here. Um, And previously, why didn't TP at this resistance that I had drawn out? Just because we had a big buying pressure, right? I wasn't gonna TP because we had big buying pressure, and the sellers tried to push it down on this resistance, but buyers came up. Like the sellers tried to push it down, right? But buyers were still like, nah, we're pushing this thing up. So give me confidence that we're gonna break this resistance level. But like I said, it's all trading is all about a probabilities game. You don't know 100% what it's gonna do. You can only have a high probability chance of knowing, right? So um, it respected this level, started to go down, um, and I just let it play out. Even after this, I could have took out, but I was like, nah, I'm gonna just let it play out. If if it if it stops me out break even, then it stops me out break even. Oh well, it's not a losing. I didn't lose. You know what I'm saying? I didn't lose. So that's what it does. It comes down, it stops me out break even, and I am done trading for the day. So yeah, and that's the moment where I stopped trading for the day because it started chopping like this. Look at the 5 minutes, so choppy. Like where do you enter off of these wigs? Like it's so choppy. So I go down to the 15-minute for more clarity, and it's so choppy too. Look at all these wicks. So I go to the 30-minute choppy, to the hour. It's more or less, choppy, but that's why I was like, okay, I'm not trading today, and I just got out, right? I took one stab at it. It was a break even trade. It was choppy. It was consolidating, and yeah. So even if I waited, right? Even if I like waited until this break right here, right? Even if I waited until this break, I'm like, okay, I could drop a Fibonacci, right? And with this break, and it's just like I would have to wait it. Maybe I would have liked this right here, um, 11:25. But I stopped trading like at 11 is like really my cutoff point. Um, but today I called it early just because of this. Like around 10, I was done. I was done. But looking back, if there was a trade opportunity, it might have been right here. That's the earliest one I see on the 5 minute. Could have hit TP1. That would have been some good RRs. I'd have been like a 1-to-1, honestly. Yeah, 1-to-1. So, if I would have held all the way down here, though, that would have been 8x. Not bad. I could have got my 10x, though. Oh, no. No. Oh, that could have been really bad. Okay. But no, see, so I'm not worried about it, right? Because at least I took a trade today. Um, I took a trade and I didn't overtrade today. You know, I realized the market conditions that I was in, and they were not good, right? We have better conditions. And I always like to remind myself is that there's more opportunities tomorrow, there's more opportunities coming next week, next month, like there's more opportunities, right? Today isn't the last trading day. So if I didn't find nothing today, it's okay. You know what I'm saying? So let's look at it, guys. Let's get out of this. Uh, as you can see from down here, right? If you look down here, I was up. I made $40 on the break even trade. It was like 20 something dollars after the fees. Let's see how much it was. I think we go down here. One trade, yeah, $27, $27.60 for the day. Cause like I said, it stopped me break even. But for some reason, when it stopped me break even, I still won somehow. I don't know how that works, but hey, I will take it. I will take it. And the thing is like, look at my average trade duration. It's 29 minutes, 11 seconds. So I like this because I know I'm not just getting into trades and then immediately closing out. I'm getting in trades and I'm letting it play out. So I love this a lot because I'm letting my trades play out. And that's really good because when I first started, right? When I first started, uh, I think my average trade was it like maybe like 5 minutes or something crazy like that. Like it was just not good. So I'm just glad that I let my trades play out, and also this too, right? I can see I'm more biased longs, obviously because gold has been bullish all its life, right? But I want to see more of me taking shorts too to balance this out a little bit because in the market you just don't see it one way, right? It's not always going to be longs, right? You need to see opportunities in the shorts too. It don't matter if you're trading something like gold like I am, right? That it's mainly you want to mainly buy because it's been bullish its whole entire lifetime, but there's still opportunities to short gold 100%. So I just need to find those opportunities more of the shorts, right? I'm not gonna force anything, obviously, but definitely opportunity to grow there. I love this best trade 987. Worst trade. This is good. This is like 2 hours, so that's good. Um, I want to get this up too. The average win, average loss. I need to get that off. And that up. So we'll see. We'll see, guys. We'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, that was it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if you liked this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Um, just tell me, I'll respond to y'all guys, and I'll see you on the next video on Thursday, and I'll let y'all know if the market has given me opportunity to take a trade that day. Nevertheless, um, y'all have a beautiful and great night. Jesus always loves y'all guys. Peace.